Hi, it's Bethany and welcome to today's video. So I feel like we have a lot to catch up on, but today I'll be planning out the week of March 15th through March 21st in my hourly Plum Paper planner. So today I'm going to be using this really gorgeous kit from Sammy Doodle Designs. So pretty. I really love, and I've said this before, like Sammy Doodle's magic to me is how she takes these different patterns and puts them together. I would never put the stripe with this like gingham and the floral and then this dot, but together it looks fantastic. And I would never ever think of that. It's just super creative and unique, and this kit is just so gorgeous, and I cannot wait to plan with this week in my planner. Like I said, super springy, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So before diving into this week, I thought I would also show you last week. Here's what last week looked like. I have continued to plan in this planner, though I haven't done a YouTube video in a couple weeks, but this week was really fun to set up. This is an Alexandra Nicole Plans kit, and I loved this spread of my planner. The one thing I didn't love is how everything is canceled, and that is because my son Wesley tested positive for COVID on Monday the 8th. It kind of shook our world, and it was a matter of like moving all the furniture to like get him his own room, because he was in a room with his brother Chris, and canceling everything and making sure he coordinated with his hockey team and let them know. And yeah, everything was canceled. So it was kind of a wash as far as the actual plans, but the kit was beautiful and I love how the spread looked. By the way, he's fine. He's going to be fine. So let's go ahead and jump into this spread for today. I don't know that I'm going to be able to put down too many like plans for work. I don't have that planner nearby, or planner, my phone, I mean. So I'm using it to film, and I didn't pre-plan this week. So whatever I remember, I'll put down. It's just basically I want to get the skeleton down of the week so that it's all like decorated, and then I'll put like the rest of the plans and things down later. So I think I want to do the washi and date covers first. So yeah, Wesley tested positive. None of the rest of the family did anyway. So that was really positive, and he's now feeling better. I don't know if like you can hear him through where I am filming this. I am now actually moved my office to the basement. That's how Chris got his own room. So I share a wall with him to the back of me. So if you can hear him on his video games, sorry, but he is doing just fine. He's way better now. He had maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 really bad days where he was just so tired, and we just didn't hear from him a lot because he was sleeping all day. He's also had a really sore throat, but otherwise, like I said, he's feeling way better today. He's playing with his friends on his computer. He's still quarantining by himself in his room until next Wednesday, I think is the date. I'd have to check on that again, but that's not even on that sticker. Let's fix that. But yes, the good news is he is fine. We're all fine. Everything's fine. But it was just like a scary couple of days, and especially Monday night trying to rearrange everything and figure it out, and yeah, it was kind of a mess. But I also did want to just say thank you to those of you who reached out and replied to my my note when I said I was taking a little bit of a break. I just kind of needed it for honestly just mental sanity. So everything's fine, like no family problems, and it's just I've been having a lot of anxiety lately, and so I was trying to go through kind of my life and strip anything else out that was maybe causing some of that anxiety. So for me, it was YouTube a little bit. I'm not just, you guys make me anxious, but I want to do a good job, and I put pressure on myself, and I'm sure that you've had moments like that. We all do, where we put like unnecessary pressure on ourselves. And so I'm still here, and I'll still post videos. I don't want to hold myself to what I was, which is I tried to have a goal of like, kind of weekly videos. So I might still do weekly videos. I'm just, just no promises, if that makes sense. But yeah, it was, just pretty bad anxiety. I was having panic attacks multiple times a week, and I have started seeing a therapist for it. So that's definitely new, and I'm trying to work through it. But it was really, really bad. Like I've never had so many like physical symptoms from anxiety as the past couple weeks. I think it's just like, I don't know, winter blues combined with continued, social distancing, and all of that stuff has just been a real struggle. So
Guess what I'm doing, Mom?
What are you doing?
Getting toilet paper for the bathroom.
Thank you. You're such an angel. I appreciate you so much, Chris. You are a rock star. All right, so speaking of planners and things, I kind of have a confession to make, and that is that I'm getting a little bit, I hate to say it, I'm getting a little bit bored with the Plum. And it's nothing to do with the planner specifically. Like, I can't even say that it's not working for me, because it's like, as far as functionality, it works great. Like, there's nothing wrong with it at all. I've just been in it for a while, and I'm like feeling kind of like I want to try something else. I don't know what that something else is, but I do have a few things that are shipping to me to try out, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I don't know. It's just like really random. Just kind of like, I don't know. I was kind of shopping for planners, and doing that, even just like shopping for planners, had me feeling kind of excited to look at something, and like excited to plan with something new. I don't know. You guys ever get bored of your planner? And there's no reason for it. It's the weirdest thing, because usually I feel like I have to have not an excuse, but like a reason, right? And there's no reason. I just kind of want to see what else is around. So some of the things that I am going to try and that I have ordered are, let me get this off of here first. Yeah, so some things I've ordered are the Go Getter Girl planner. It's a planner that I've kind of been eyeballing for a little while, and it is a daily planner. At least the one I got is daily. I think that there's one that they have that does what am I trying to say? The daily, the weekly, and the monthly in one book. I don't think that's the one I got. Maybe I should have looked a little more closely. I think the one I have is just like, it's like an undated daily. But there's no, yeah, I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna write meals in down here. Meals. But I ordered that. I think that will be pretty cool, so I'm excited to try that out. The other one I got was the Amplify planner, and that is a daily as well. So I'm kind of curious to see what they're like and compare, and just kind of see if I can find one that works, that's new. And also, my Plum Paper daily is almost done, and by almost I mean I think it's like end of May, so it's not like it's tomorrow. I've got, you know, some time in it still yet, but I think that's kind of what triggered me looking a little bit. Is I was like, oh, wait a minute, this book is almost done. What else is there? And then when I started looking and seeing what else there is, I'm like, oh, that's kind of exciting to try a new planner. And down the rabbit hole we go. Now, a fun fact with the Amplify planner, this is kind of embarrassing. Okay, so the Amplify planner, when I got that, I actually ordered it last night, and I had had a couple glasses of wine. I was still, you know, perusing the internets. Although I had already got and purchased the Go Getter Girl daily, I saw the Amplify, and I was like, oh, click, add to cart. And I woke up this morning, and I could not remember if I actually bought it, and I did not have a confirmation in my email. So I emailed the company. I'm like, I think I might have bought a planner last night. Could you check? I did, but I'd given them the wrong email address. It was so embarrassing. Like, not only did I, you know, kind of like drunk purchase a planner, but, oh, weekend banner, let's put that there. But didn't remember if I did or not. And also I gave them the wrong email address. So super embarrassing. And I was like drunk, but I definitely, when I have a couple glasses of wine, I shop, and it's usually for planner stuff. All right, so that's most of this kit. I kind of want some kind of words or something to go here. Let me see what I've got. Okay, here we go. I found this one that's Get a Little Better Every Day, and this, if I can get it up, is out of this, let's see, Create 365 Happy Planner book, color story. Yeah, it's for the larger Happy Planner, I think. All right, let's just stick this right there. Speaking of Happy Planner, I also bought a Happy Planner on a whim this morning. It's just, I don't know, I've always liked the Happy Planner stickers, and so I was kind of curious, like, would I actually like a Happy Planner? And I'll be honest, like, I have always kind of felt a little bit weird about discs, like any disc-bound planner, just because I have this like weird, probably irrational fear that it's gonna fall apart. I don't know, the discs just look wobbly to me. Like, I've just never tried before, so that's my own like scotoma that I'm just curious, and I want to check it out and see what it's all about, and I'll let you know if I like it or not, or what's the what. But that is the other planner I purchased. And then I also, this is the last one, I also got a planner off of Amazon that that one was accidentally purchased as well. And that is because, you flip it, that is because I was looking again at daily planners, and I was flipping through and I saw this thing and I was like, oh, that looks like a cool daily planner, pretty like basic, room to decorate. And I did add to cart thinking, you know, I'll just take it out later, whatever. Well, a couple days later, I was shopping for other things, and I did not take it out of my cart, completely forgot it was even in there on Amazon, and I just accidentally purchased it. It was like $12, so it's not the end of the world. But I was like, oh goodness gracious. So I've got all these planners on their way now, which is fun. And I'm kind of excited to try them out. It's, you know, a little overwhelming now because I've purchased so many and it feels like I have a lot, but by the same token, I'm also, like I said, excited to try them out. There we go. I'm like, where are the laundry stickers, for Pete's sake? Okay, let's stick with Sammy Doodle and do laundry stickers here. Actually, let's do, yeah, perfect. So I've got a laundry sticker. After all that flipping, there's one here on that sampler sheet, and then there's also one on the icon page as well. So that will work great for laundry. And I'm just going to write it in. And I also have been enjoying planning on Saturdays at some point, so we'll just stick that in there. And this planner is Daily Dose of stickers, and then the plan next week and also the trash script sticker are both Simply Smith stickers. All right, so here's how we're looking so far. I think I do want to write in work and then just put lines for work, because my work schedule is going to be pretty uniform next week for the most part. So I'm just going to ruler this out and then put the Sammy Doodle script sticker for work on top. Aw, boo. I don't know if it's worth whiting out or not. I'll just leave it. So I guess the one thing that's making planning this week easy is I can put stickers wherever I want, because we have no evening plans. Like, I have work stuff, right? But there's no hockey, no anything in the evening that we're going to do whatsoever, because we're still quarantining. So I'm just gonna put that right there, kind of box out the week. And same on the other side. All right, next I'm going to use these, I think. Yeah, I'm going to do kind of this size for workouts. I'm going to put that right kind of this after work area. And I've been doing my workouts on, let's see, Monday, Tuesday. What was this one for Friday? Yeah, that'll look cute. And then for Tuesday was the other one. So Monday, Tuesday, Friday I've been lifting, and then Wednesday has been cardio on the Peloton. I also do Peloton for, like, I might do a little cool down a few minutes after my lifting session, or of course before to warm up. So it's been great for that as well. But I'm going to use these little kettlebells for lifting, and then I do have these really adorable little kind of spin bike things for cardio day. And then I probably will work out on the weekend too. I just don't want to commit to it right now. I'm just not sure which days will work out specifically. Oh, and these are Daily Dose of stickers as well for the little spin bike. Got these Monarch plans I'm going to use for the workouts. All right, I think that's looking pretty cute with all the workouts. Next, I'm going to write in meals, and then I'm also going to put in the weather up top. All right, so that I think about does it. Like I said, I just don't have the energy to put the work appointments that I do have meetings and trainings happening next week. But this at least blocks out the time. I also do want to try to get outside and like walk the dog. So probably going to put like a lunch thing in here or something. I don't know. Limitless possibilities, right? But it's really cute how everything turned out. And I do have the basic things down for the week. And I feel like I'm in a much better spot to finish setting this up. The one thing we don't have is we don't know what we're going to do for dinner on Thursday yet. So that's blank. I'll have to enter that later. But otherwise, loving this kit from Sammy Doodle. I had a lot of fun putting this together. It was fun kind of catching up and letting you guys know kind of what's going on in like my real life. But otherwise, yeah, that's just kind of the reality of things. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. So appreciate you. Hope you have a great day, a great week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.